Harshla, welcome back to my channel. Today we have a clothing haul. Now I think this is my very first time trying out clothing pieces from this particular brand. I'm talking about Newme. I think I did receive a PR from them like a year ago or so, but that was just a dress. But today I have quite a few things from them and I'm super excited to try them on and review it for you guys. I've seen so many people talk about the brand and I've seen so many people style the clothing pieces that I have, so I'm super excited. And without further ado, let's just jump right in. The very first top that I have, I think I'd seen a similar top on Zara last year, but that went out of stock in no time. When I spotted this on Newme, I was like, let me try it out. So I got this top. This is what it looks like. In fact, yesterday I posted a story and so many people responded to it saying that, oh, is it from Zara? I did think that this would be in butter yellow, but the top color is like a really bright yellow and it's like a tube top. I really like tube tops. The fitting is great. I don't like the material, like I'm not a fan of it, but the quality seems good. And when I wore it, when I say material is not good, it's because I think it's like too polyester heavy. So yeah, that I do not like. I think it makes you look so put together, like you wear this with really nice trousers or even like bell-bottom jeans and you're good to go. So it's very easy and like a no-brainer sort of an outfit you can make out of this. So I really like this and I'm definitely going to keep it and I'm happy with this purchase. Next up we have another tube top. Now this is what the top looks like. This print was so viral. You must have seen, if you go on Pinterest and type like tube top, this is the top that comes up and it is quite viral for a reason. I really like the print of it and I really like the fitting as well. It's really nice. Again, not a fan of the material because I'm very sure मतलब एक दो washes में you'll get that gola that you get. So yeah, I'm not fan of that, but otherwise it's really nice. Again, you can dress it up, dress it down. You can wear this to a really nice beach vacation, pair it up with like white skirt and like waist chains and all of that. It would look really cool. So very nice. I've also seen the same top on Savannah and again, I've not really shopped from Savannah before. Let me know if you guys would be interested in watching this Savannah haul. I'll do that. But talking about this top, it's great. The fitting is great, but material is okay and quality also seems okay. So yeah, just keep that in mind if you plan on getting this. You'd be able to understand the top better in try on clip. Now this is what the top looks like. It has this, again, it's like a tube top, but also has this thing that you're supposed to tie it at the back and it will look like a really nice tube plus peplum sort of a top. I really like the material as well and the fitting is great too. I'm at the size small, however I was not really sure about my size, but I just went with small and everything, and yeah, so far everything did fit me. So this is also great, really like it. Even though it's like a tube top, it does hold my boobs in place and does provide a little bit of support, I would say. Again, you're supposed to, it's like a halter neck as well, so you can tie it up or you can just tie a knot right here and yeah, style it up in so many different ways. But this would be great for a beach vacation and very nice. I really like this top. Definitely going to keep this as well. Next up I have another top which I did not really try it on for you guys, but it's very easy to explain. It's understandable. So this is what the top looks like. It just says passenger princess on it. Now I do not know how to drive and this I think defines me, and this top was like made for me. I think I'm going to be a passenger princess all my life. So even though I really want to be independent in that area of my life, for now I'm a passenger princess and I own it, and this top is really cool. I think this would be like, this is like a baggy crop top sort of a top. Really like it. The material is also great. It's like 100% cotton and they had like so many graphic t-shirts on Newme, so you can go, and very quirky ones, okay, like really cool sayings. So you can, I think I got another one which I haven't received yet, which just says make boys cry. I thought that was really cool, and the other one was just like I'm just a girl. So there are like so many of these cool graphic t-shirts on it, one-liners you'd see. So yeah, if you are a fan of that and that's your vibe, then check out Newme because yeah, there are like a lot of cool tops on there. Lace tops are like so in. They're usually in around this season. Last year also I got one which is like a lace shirt from Zara, which is really cool. That was in black color. So when I saw this, I was like, let me just try it out. It's supposed to be like a top that you're supposed to knot it up. Now if you want to make it more wearable, you can obviously wear it with the camisole, or you can wear it with like a really nice tube top and you know, wear it to the beach. So that would be really cool, and I really like it. It also has bell sleeves, and this is what it looks like. It's white in color, very nice. Next up that I have is this one. Iska to pura like expectations versus reality ho gaya, because I expected it to be in cotton material with the same print, and I thought that this would be like a really nice lacy thing, but it's not. It just like, I honestly, when I wore it, I felt like this is something that I can wear it to the bed but not outside. So it's a pretty okay top, and I would return it. Like, I'm going to return it. I do not like it, and I'm not a fan. So yeah, this was kind of a fail. Next up again, I have a big fail. ये तो मतलब भाई, like, I don't know what were they even thinking. So the model, the dress that she was wearing was so nice, and what I have received, I'll try to put a picture here on the screen for you to understand. Now if you see these flowers, the dress the model was wearing on the website, I think had like embroidered flowers, and here it's like a really blah, like, I don't know, this material also seems so flimsy and like so bad quality, and it has like just like painted flowers on it, and I don't understand what was the purpose. It's just really bad. I really don't know what were they thinking when they made this. It's just the worst quality, and everything about this dress is wrong, and I do not like it, and I don't know, if you're planning on getting this, then don't, because it's not worth it. Next dress is also like a big fail. I really like how it looks on me though, but yeah, let me just tell you all my problems with this dress. So this is what the dress looks like. It's supposed to be like a tube dress. It's like fitted at your bust area, and then it flows out. It's a very long dress, perfect for like vacation. If you just plan on like walking around the city and sightseeing and all of that, great dress. But the material is just so bad. I literally feel like I don't know, I just don't like it. It feels very plasticky to me, and I don't like the material at all. Also, it doesn't fit me. The material is a problem for me, and also the fitting is off. So yeah, if material is not a problem for you and you can size down, then you can go for it, because I did say that it does look good on me. But yeah, I'm going to return it. I did not like it. Next up, I have another dress. Now it's like this bubble dress, which was really in for the summers, and I had seen a similar print or the same print on Zara, but that I remember I had seen in the store, and that dress I think was made up of proper like cotton or poplin material. Now this is not that, but I really like the fitting of this, and I really like how it looks on me, so I'm going to keep it. And I it's just really nice. I really like I like where it hits me on my legs, because I think I look a little taller when I wear this dress, so I really like it. And I like dresses that are like, you know, tight around your bust, and then they just flow out, just like fit and flare sort of dresses, but not like fit till my waist. It's just like around the bust and then they flow. So I really like that sort of silhouette on myself when it comes to dresses. So it's perfect. I really like it. Very cute dress to again wear on vacations, or just like if it's a hot sunny day, you can wear this and call it a day. Very nice. I really like that about dresses, how you don't really have to use your brain. You just wear it's like one piece, you wear it, and yeah, you know, you're all dressed up already. So when you do not want that decision fatigue, dresses are the best. This dress, now you must have seen this dress on my shorts already, and also I posted a Instagram reel. But guys, now I really like the look of it. I like the material, I like how it fits me. It's perfect, but it stinks. Like, this dress stinks. I don't know who had it before me and who wore this. When I wore this dress for the reel, after the reel was like, even right now I can't hold it. It stinks so bad. I honestly don't know whom to blame here. If to blame someone who has had it before and then returned it, who wore it and then returned it, or to blame the brand to like get it dry cleaned and then, you know, sell it to other customers. But oh my god, this is so bad. I can't. I like this dress, but the only reason why I'm contemplating whether to keep it or no is because of the smell. Obviously I can get it cleansed and all of that, but is it really my responsibility? I don't know. So yeah, this is what the dress looks like, and I really like it. You can see how it looks in the try on clip. Very nice. But the way this smells, it just it smells, I wouldn't say it smells like really bad, but it smells of sweat. It smells like someone's worn it before, and I don't mean it for an hour or two. It smells like someone's worn it all throughout the day and then they have returned it, which is very bad. Next up, I have another dress. Now this dress is just so beautiful. I cannot believe it. I actually found this on Newme, but because usually Zara is the place that I go for dresses, because I think they make dresses really well, especially for my pure shape body type. But oh my god, this dress is just so nice. Really like the fitting of it. It's just perfect. It is a little see-through, I would say, but you can wear like a nude boy shorts or something underneath and you should be good to go. It's very beautiful. I really like the lace detailing that they have provided here. It's like a perfect birthday dress. Even this one can make for a really nice birthday dress. If you're looking for something for New Year's party or Christmas party, very nice. You should definitely get your hands on this because the fitting is amazing. I'm in the size small. I was not really sure whether to get small, but it fits me so beautifully. It almost feels like it was made for me. I really like it. They've also given this fishtail detailing at the bottom, so the dress literally flows out very nicely. And yeah, they've also given this ruche detailing. So much is going on, and it's not like a simple, like it looks very elegant in my opinion, so I love this. And yeah, I'm definitely going to keep it. Last dress that I have, and probably my most favorite piece out of this entire haul. This is quite viral, I feel. I've seen a lot of people wear this, and this dress is what made me, you know, make a purchase on Newme and try out their other products as well, because it's like, wow, this dress is so beautiful. I really want to try it. And when I wore this, I don't know, I just felt like, oh my god, I look so good and I look so hot. Like it just gave me the feeling of like, oh my god, like, you know, I'm the it girl. Like that boost of confidence that you get when you wear, when you look good or when you wear something really hot and nice. So that's the feeling that I got when I wore this dress. And again, I felt like this was made for me. Again, this is also a little see-through, but something that you can definitely manage. You can wear like boy short underneath and you can, you know, call it a day. Very nice. This is what the top looks like. It's like very nice. They also have this ruche detailing at the back, so you know, it hugs you at the right places and like really snatches in your waist and like, you know, lifts your butt. The top that I have is like a cami plus cardigan top. Now this is what the cami looks like. It's see-through, but I really like the color of this. Honestly, I was expecting this top ka color would be like this, but ये तो बहुत ही ज़्यादा bright yellow है. This is like a really nice butter yellow color, like lemon yellow color, something that I really wanted. I like the color of it, but as I said, it's see through. I'm the size small, और इसका जो cardigan है वो बहुत ज़्यादा tight है. So if you want थोड़ा सा मतलब loose, तो you'll have to size up. But again, if you size up in this, then this will also be loose. So the fitting for me seems a little off, and I'm not really a fan of the material as well. It seems very okay. So that's it. Like, I mean, that's all that I want to say. I had expectations from this top, but yeah, it did not serve, it did not deliver, so I'll have to return this as well. I cannot believe that I almost forgot to show you this top. मैंने सारा outro भी कर दिया, and then I spotted this top and I'm like, इसका तो बात किया ही नहीं. But this top तो deserves all the hype, so I just had to. This top is what dreams are made up of. It's so beautiful. Look at it. It's in this beautiful off-white ivory sort of a color. I really like the ruffle detailing, but oh my god, the way this snatches my waist and the way it fits me is amazing. I cannot, like, my brain can't process it, like how beautiful this looks on me. When I ordered it, I was like, I am not sure if my boobs will fit in, but oh my god, this is so good. My boobs do fit in, and it also gives some support, and also the tubing that they have provided here for the corset is really nice. I don't know, when I wore this, I'm like, why did I stop wearing corsets? Like, corsets are so beautiful. They really give you that snatched look, and we should all wear them. Like, we should all publicly decide that corsets should be our uniform. They are just bang on. I love it. So yeah, this is so beautiful. This delivered this, served this, ate. This top is just amazing. You should definitely get your hands on it. Perfect for Christmas lunches and like Diwali party, New Year's party, and if you have bachelorette or wherever you want to go, this is the top you should definitely have in your closet. You wouldn't regret it, trust me on that. And yeah, those are all the things that I got from Newme. Some of them were hit, some of them were miss, but it's okay. Honestly, cannot wait to wear them outside and just look like the it girl. So yeah, also this wasn't a sponsored video. I actually bought all of this from my own money. Most of my hauls are like I buy things and I talk about them. It's not like nobody is like sponsoring these videos. So yeah, I just wanted to tell you that. And if you want to check out any of these products, all of them would be linked down below. I think they're currently running their Black Friday sale, so, and I think there are like a lot of discounts and a lot of offers running currently. I think currently it's the sale season, so I'm sure like all the brands would be running some or the other offers. And yeah, like make the most out of this. That's all that I would say. But don't go bankrupt. I really hope you enjoyed this video and found it helpful. If you did, then you know the drill. Like, share, comment, and also subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. And that being said, I'll see you next time. Bye.